Good day friends. So today I bring you guys another new quantitative platform that you can actually earn from. So if you look at here, you are going to observe that this is actually a live wallet that is trading. You can see I've made different form of transaction, received different form of funds, and also been able to withdraw and use them for real life activities. Now I'm going to be showing you how to get started on this platform. Primarily all you just need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video. So once you click down that link, it's going to bring you to this interface, and then all you need to do is to sign up using your email, input your password, and you input the same password again. Or you can come here and make use of your phone number, then you input tap here, and then you choose your country code. Just tap on this phone icon here and choose your country code. Once you are done with that, the next thing you're going to do is to just sign in. For me, I already have an account and I want to do everything live and direct here with you. As you can see displayed right here on my screen, I'm covering my details because these are private stuffs, and I urge you to also do the same. So the next thing for me to do is to sign in. Now on this video, I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal on this platform. Now after you are done with this, you're just going to come here and read on this so you can know which one best suits you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recharge and also how to withdraw. After you are done reading, you just tap on cancel. Now the next thing for me to do here is to just check on different form of recharge. Now we'll have VIP 1, so and so on. Now for this first one, I went for the VIP 1. So for the VIP 1, it cost me around 10 USDT, and this is going to be my own daily income here. This is what I'm going to be earning. Now we also have different level of VIP session. We have VIP 1, VIP 2. I think VIP 2 should earn you around 2 point something USDT thereabout or above. So I have not checked that for now. Of course, I'm doing everything live and direct right now. So let me just do this because I want to place a withdrawal while I'm making this video. So after you are done recharging, it's going to bring you to this interface. It's going to give you a tax that you are going to be claiming in every 24 hours, and then you are going to be having an earning interest from it. So because I'm done with that, you are going to observe that my balance is going to increase after a short while. Let me tap on this me icon here. You can see if you realize it was just 1 USDT that was there before. So once because I have made a purchase of around 10 USDT for an upgrade, as I came in here, you observe that as I tap on the me icon that you are seeing on the top, the first icon counting from my right, then I come here and tap on withdrawal, and I want to make withdrawal of USDT BEP20. So this is approximately what I'm receiving out of a $10 upgrade. You understand? This is an upgrade for the account. So this is what you'll be receiving daily, 1.50. Now let's just go. I'm going to still be talking further on this. Let me just withdraw this little token out of this place. I want to make use of USDT BEP20. I come here, I tap on receive, then I bring it back in here. Then I paste the wallet address here. Please note that you can either make use of USDT BEP20 or you make use of USDT TRC20 network. You can see there are no withdrawal fees. You are just going to do it everything easy peasy. You are not paying for any withdrawal fees while you are doing this. So you can also note that I'm always covering my details. Now your login password is the same password that you are going to use when you want to place withdrawal. You can see our withdrawal is successful. So in the next 7 days, I will be able to get around 1.5 multiplied by 7. You observe that I've already gotten my return of investment and how much I used to start up here. But for you, you can choose other different VIP levels that you want to start with and earn from. Then there are different form of recharge here. How do you recharge now? You're just going to tap here and check on recharge. Then you can make use of any of this network that you find here. We have USDT TRC20 network, which is this one here. You can just go and fund your wallets, fund this account with USDT TRC20 network. We have USDT BEP20 network. You can also fund with BNB worth of the amount, BNB worth of the amount that you want to use. You understand? So based on how much you have seen here, how much you are, based on the upgrade that you want to do here. But this is what I always encourage everyone that is on my platform. I don't just encourage you to just step in on quantitative platform and then you begin to just put in money here and there haphazardly. I always encourage you that if you want to put anything here, make sure you are using funds that you can afford to let go. This is cryptocurrency, and as well, nothing is guaranteed, and because majorly because these are quantitative platform, you understand. So I'm just giving these guys a give or take. Normally I just used to put it like 7 days or 8 days thereabout. Within 7 days, I'm supposed to get a return of investment of investment of what I actually started up with. So let's go over and check my address if that withdrawal place have arrived, but I know most definitely it has arrived. Remember the balance we saw there. So if I just refresh again, you can see it has arrived, and this is it. You can see our withdrawal has actually arrive. So this is how it actually work, guys. So I want you all, if you find this interesting and you want to engage in it, you can also engage in it. Now right now I'm going to be dropping the link to this site on the pinned comments of this video, also at the description box, and you can also find your way down to my Telegram channel. There are different ways for you to earn in cryptocurrency, not just participating in quantitative platform. You can participate in different token adoption. You can see them here, and this token adoption have the ability at TGA. Once they launch, once they generate their token, you'll be able to earn good and reasonable amount from here. I'll also teach you also how to trade, so make sure you take position and find your way down to my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe.